Okay, camera on and we are rolling. This is Magdalena from Miss Immigrant and Bag and Orange River Media. Tagging is super important. And Facebook tagging is problematic, LinkedIn tagging is problematic. Not always LinkedIn lets you do tag. Facebook became a little bit harder as well nowadays. But what's interesting with the LinkedIn tagging that when you, the Facebook tagging, people have to approve you kind of. You might not show on their timeline. But on LinkedIn, there is no such a way that you can forbid someone to tag you, and you always show up on their timeline, so then their connection can see you. So guys, actually this is really beneficial for both sides, both too. For you, because you are gaining exposure on the other person's network, and for them as well, because your network see that you tag them, and they can basically you're linking to their profile, who they are. So this is really great. So I would really highly suggest you, if you are afraid of being of tagging, that what people are going to think, if they're going to hate you, just send them a message and ask them, hey, can I tag you? Is it okay I tag you in this post? Very often people appreciate it, so don't be shy. Let's tag each other, because we can spread the message about what we do. This was Magdalena from Miss Immigrant and Bag and Orange River Media, and I'll see you on the next one. So yes, tag someone.